Okay, folks, I've got two flash fill exercises which I want you to complete. And basically, I want you to use any flash fill method of your choosing to do the two exercises. So, just to look at the first exercise, here we have surname and then first name. Now, I want you to basically combine the first name and surname together. And then, using any method of your choosing with flash fill, whether it's the automatic method or one of the three manual methods which we outlined in the previous lecture, I want you to complete the rest of the entries. Okay, now for the second exercise, which is here, this is slightly more complicated. For one thing, we don't just have two columns in this one, we've got a third column, which is basically the title. So, I want you again to combine the title, first name, and surname together. Now, folks, remember when you do this, just remember the flash fill rules in terms of making sure that you've got a row header in place. Again, if you do have any questions or queries regarding flash fill and how it works, or you're having trouble activating one of the manual methods, or you need to know how to activate the automatic method, please do feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to help you out. Okay, so good luck and I'll see you in the next lecture.